हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। कल जब सर ने कहा दैट वी आर सपोज टू शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस विथ रुद्रा वैदिक एकेडमी, आई वाज सो ओवरवेल्म कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ टू थैंक सर. सर हैज़ बीन सच अ इंस्ट्रूमेंटल पर्सन इन लाइफ्स ऑफ माई सेल्फ एंड ऑल्सो माई हस्बैंड कि उनकी वजह से बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल चेंजेस आई है हमारी लाइफ में. Now this could be like my husband who was a hardcore non-vegetarian changing into vegetarian, and he's become quite liberal in his thinking and a pure Vishnu devotee, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा miracle जैसा था for me. Secondly, मेरा जो इंक्लिनेशन था एस्ट्रोलॉजी के लिए वो इसलिए बढ़ा क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स हुए थे मे बी एक 10-15 ईयर्स बैक जिनका कोई रैशनल या प्रैक्टिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं निकल रहा था. एंड आई वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग फॉर एन आंसर. फैमिली मेम्बर्स गेटिंग क्रिटिकल. इट वॉज रियली पेनफुल सिचुएशन फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रिपीटेटिव इवेंट्स इन माई लाइफ माई करियर कुडंट गो एनीवेयर जहाँ पे मैंने एक एस्पायर किया था. तो ये काफ़ी डिप्रेसिंग भी रहा मेरे लिए. फिर ड्यूरिंग माई मैरिज ऑल्सो ये चीज़ हुई कि एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स ने ये कहा कि लड़की को तो बहुत कड़क मंगल है. And then it so happened that initially few years were very good in my marriage, and then suddenly we started seeing downfall financially. Then there were serious and major issues with my husband's health. मुझे लगा is it because of me being मांगलिक, and what is this मांगलिक all about? And I used to wonder planets मुझ पे क्यों दृष्टि डाल रहे, मैंने क्या किया है गलत. I mean I could not get a rational answer for it. Finally, 2020 में my clinic got shut, and I got a lot of time to research, and then I came across Navneet sir's video. उनको देखने के बाद, उनको सुनने के बाद में we could literally connect to him very easily क्योंकि उन्होंने जो explain किया था videos में it was very easy to understand, and also that we could absorb things and remember it easily. So we booked a consultation with Navneet sir, and the way he spoke to us, it was like very soothing. And the way sir counseled us, I mean it was more than a consultation, so the way sir counseled us was amazing. And gradually जब मैंने classes join किए, I finished my Jyotish Acharya, and now I am into the Nakshatra batch. Every class I keep on getting some or the other answers to my questions, and the picture जो एक faded picture था मेरे subconscious में, it has started getting clearer, all thanks to नवनीत सर. जो कर्मा का concept उन्होंने जिस तरह से हमको सिखाया था, I think major changes in my life came with that कि जो भी हमारी life में हो रहा है it is because of our past karmas. So let's not focus on that, but yes, we have to keep them as a learning in our lives and try to make our lives every day much better and better. So lastly, I want to thank Navneet sir for considering me to be his shishya. I want to give his Guru Dakshina in a manner by being an example of a good human being, or practicing the good karmas and being an example for the society about what astrology is and how it can impact somebody's life in such a beautiful way and have miraculous changes in someone's life. So I really want to thank sir for everything that he did for us, especially during the COVID phase, and thanks for the motivation and the enlightenment that he keeps giving us. So thank you very much sir. Om Gurve Namaha. Hare Krishna.